Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the AI 1600 starting and 1260 running portable generator. This is a powerful 60 cc's overhead valve engine, pure sine wave, less than 3% THD on this generator right here. Parallel ready, 1000-watt generator, perfect for camping, perfect for carrying around in the RV. This one does put out 1600 watts. Most 1000-watt generator usually have around 1200. This one goes all the way up to 1600 watts, guys. We're going to take a closer look at this, unbox it. That's the box it comes in. Let's open it up. We're going to show you how to add oil to it, do an unboxing, and see what this generator can do. All right, guys, let's unbox this generator. Already went ahead and opened it up. Got this cardboard on top. You got a quick start guide, AIVOLT. AIVOLT did send me this generator to review. So hopefully we'll get some more of the bigger brands, guys. I just want you to take a look at the 1000 watt, then we can do the 2000 and work our way up. You know, they have all the way up to 8000 and 10,000 watt dual fuel. This is the 1000 watt. Let's get it out. Comes with a funnel so you can get the oil in the generator, screwdriver, and spark plug tool. Has this little case so you can hold everything in it. Okay, guys, there it is. AIVOLT 1600 watts starting, 1260 running. You see that right there. Right on the side, you have your pull start. So there's no oil in this generator right now. I'm gonna oil it up. Over here, you can see a manual choke. Run, start. So you have manual choke. So this is just your fuel shutoff valve, on, off, and your manual choke is right here. And with your pull start. We'll get this out. We'll get oil in this. Let's just take a look. Fuel filter in the fuel tank, for the fuel tank. Okay, this is the front section of the AIVOLT. It does have a hour meter. You have two 120 volt plugs, USB, or it has a USB-C on there, and USB-A. It is parallel capable, so if you want to pair this with another one, you can do that. You got your ground plug right here, restart, low oil light, overload light, and your working light. Here's your eco mode switch. So you have eco mode and eco mode off, and this is your power. So this is on and off. Vent, that's to get the fresh air into the inverter, pure sine wave inverter. Spark plug access right here on the top. Spark arrestor in the back. It is spark safe. All right, let's go ahead and open this up, add some oil in it, and then we can do some tests. All right, guys, let's get this top open. I'm using 1030 in this one, like I do in all my generators. Okay, guys, we got the oil 1030 in here, and it was right at 0.3 quarts. Okay, so you just put this in right here and kind of press it down. Get your lock screw back in. All right, so let's get some gas in it. We got the oil. There we go. I showed you what it looked like on the outside. One thing I didn't mention, this does have CO monitor. So it will monitor carbon monoxide. All right. If you put this inside your garage or something, it will shut off. All right. So it does have CO monitor on this generator as well. Okay, guys, here you have it, the AIVOLT. Oil, gas, start procedure. First thing you do is turn your fuel on. Turn your fuel on right here. You come to the front, you turn your engine in on position. Eco mode off, engine on. Gas on. Choke. Pull. I like to turn on my eco mode right away. Kind of keep my engine running calm, you know? Wow. This thing is really quiet, guys. Really quiet. All right, I got it out here on the lawn. I'm gonna step back right about 20, 23 feet and see how it sounds. This is eco mode right now. Let's step back. Okay, right about 23 feet right here. 51.5 in eco mode. Eco mode off. Getting right about 53.3, eco mode off. Absolutely quiet. Okay guys, so we're gonna check the pure sine wave on this generator, inverter generator. As you can see, I have the oscilloscope hooked up to it and it's an absolute perfect pure sine wave. Zero distortion, less than 3% THD, guys. Zero distortion. Okay, we have right about 30 minutes on the generator. You can see by the meter it comes with. You got right about 30 minutes on there. Guys, I'm gonna run a small compact refrigerator, a heater, and we're gonna do a full load test trying to see if we can get the rated running watts, 1,260 watts on this thing. Should get close to that. Let's get the test started. Refrigerator, heater, full load test. Let's go ahead and start it and turn the refrigerator on. Generator's running. I have the refrigerator connected. Putting out right about 125 volts, which is perfect. Let's go ahead and turn the refrigerator on. I'm gonna leave it on eco mode. It should surge up real quick once the refrigerator kicks in. That's it. Surges up, refrigerator running, pulling right about 74, 70 watts. Absolutely no problem for this. With the 1600 surge, it can handle loads like that. So surge up to 1600 and then it'll run back down to its running watts. All right, so I'm gonna turn on the heater. This heater has 4 settings. First one, there you go. First one pulls right about 500, almost 600 watts. Second setting, 120 volts, 880 watts, right about 900, 7.3 amps. Number 3 is about the same. Okay, so the fourth one is supposed to be 1500 watts, but since it's a heater, it's just gonna pull the max. Let's go to the fourth. Well, 1,200. Okay, so yes, it will run a small heater. I'm gonna pull the cover off. This is the RPM, 3080, eco mode off, going right about 41. So I'm gonna leave this connected to see what it goes when I do the full load test. Turn that on. So that's 2,000 watts of lights right here. Okay, let's see if we can get the running watts of 1,060. Let's go. All right, we're at 1,200. Overload light is still not, all right, overload light is on, should be shutting off soon. So we get it right at 1,200 and shut off. Okay, so running watts I'm getting is 1,200 watts. That is confirmed on the monitor. Thanks to AIVOLT for sending us this generator. Can't wait to get more generators and review. I know you guys been waiting for this brand on the channel. Finally got one. Let's see if we get the 2,000, the 8,000, and the 10,000 watt from this brand. Real nice. I'm going to put the link in the description. If you guys want to buy this generator, go down in the description. They should send me the link. I'll put the link. You click it, and you can get this from Amazon directly from AIVOLT. Guys, great generator. Really appreciate them sending it to me. Guys, thanks for watching the channel. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Please hit that subscribe button to help this video, help the channel grow, and helps us keep getting sponsors like AIVOLT to sponsor the videos, okay? Guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Okay, guys, one more thing I want to point out with the AIVOLT. When you're running this generator and you're done, you want to go to storage mode, you can keep the generator running by not shutting off the power button right here. So you could actually shut off the fuel valve, keep the generator running, and starve the carburetor before storing the generator. So your carburetor will have no gas and you won't be gummed up. That's a nice plus, having the extra switch. If you don't want to do that, you could just come over here, shut it off. If you're not going to be storing it, there's no need to starve the carburetor, but that option is there for you guys who want that.